best subject lines. The subject line of your email needs to be captivating enough to catch the recipient's attention and get them involved in your email. Your subject line will create your first impression. The subject lines comprising of tips and tricks are intriguing and get good open rates. Subject lines that tell the best and worst about something are also enjoyed by readers. Readers like it when your subject lines create a mystery for them, and they will go on further to discover what else you have for them in your email. Make your headline inquisitive and charming. Engaging language in the subject lines attracts more customers and involves them in the email. The use of numbers, such as 5 ways, 7 tips, are also very useful as it gets the attention of the readers too. Subject lines comprising of techniques to avoid danger are also admired by the readers and can be helpful in increasing click-through. Your headline is the first and perhaps only impression you make on a prospective reader. Without a compelling promise that turns a browser into a reader, the rest of your words may as well not even exist. So, from a copywriting and content marketing standpoint, writing great subject lines for your email is a vital skill, and Kick-Ass Emails is here to help you achieve all this and much more. Always remember, every element of compelling copy has just one purpose: to get the next sentence read, then the sentence after that, and so on, all the way down to your call to action. So it's fairly obvious that if people stop at the subject line, your email's already down the drain. As per David Ogilvy, subject lines and headlines are on average read 5 times more than the body of the email. This creates immense emphasis on them, which need to grab attention to increase open rates. How to write effective headlines. Following are a few tips to write effective headlines. A subject line with maximum 6 words in it is the most effective. Use between 5 to 8 word headlines for maximum effect. Now, using headlines with more words in them simply get cropped and don't capture the imagination of the audience. Keep things short and snappy, intrigue the reader, and make them want to open your email. Subject lines with how to are effective, such as how to make your dog listen to you. If you are solving a problem and it relates to your audience, then why won't they open? Trust us, they will open. Subject lines with numbers are attention-grabbing, such as 5 methods of removing hair. A tip is to use odd numbers and limit them to below 15. You might be wondering why odd numbers, right? Well, this has been researched and is psychologically correct. Same principle is applied in pricing tactics. If the product costs $10, then it would normally be priced at $9.95, $9.97, or $9.99, all odd numbers. Odd numbers have a positive effect on the consumer. Subject lines with negation, such as "don't overpay on your taxes again," also attract readers. Now, to a reader, this might be interpreted as them doing something wrong that could be costing them money, or simply they need a tax problem resolved. The subject line is short and to the point, using power words that make the reader wanting to open your email. Subject lines raising questions are interesting, such as, "Do you know how to lose weight?" This is a great way to arouse curiosity and trigger a desire to open the email to find out what the reader needs to know. The magic formula. There is a valuable formula for your email, blog post, social media post, video, and more. It is numbers plus adjective plus target keyword plus rationale plus promise equals subject and headline. Your subject line should encompass the keyword that is the focus of your message. Now, you need to keep in mind when creating a subject line and make it a compulsory part of it, because readers may end up reading only your subject line.